Welcome, everyone. Welcome, students. My name is Mary Canderas. I am your online instructor this spring 2021 for English 101. Welcome to the course. I wanted to put together this little welcome video for two purposes. One, to give you a little overview of the course, maybe give you some insight onto what we are going to be doing, and also, as importantly, for you to get to know me, to see that there is a face with the name, and when you are journeying through this course and there's some confusion or you have questions or some challenges, you feel like, hey, I know this woman, I can reach out to her, I'm comfortable, this is who she is. So again, my name is Mary Canderas. I am an adjunct faculty member in the English department at Chandler Gilbert Community College. I have also taught at Mesa Community College, and before I came to the community college, I was a full-time English teacher at Chandler High School. And I have taught everything from literature and composition to advanced placement, international baccalaureate, and so on. And so a lot of that you can go ahead and read in the bio. I am married with two grown children and a son-in-law. As an English teacher, I love to read, I love cooking, gardening, and again, that's in the bio. But I wanted you to get to be comfortable so that as we go through this course, you're comfortable reaching out. I love teaching. I love being in the classroom. And like many of you, being forced online is not our first choice, but I'm really comfortable with this course. Having taught it a couple times now online, I think we have it down. So speaking of the course, it does begin next Monday, February 1st. And in the first couple of days, there are a few very small assignments. Emailing me, getting to know you, reaching out. And the purpose of that is I can see that one, you're there and you're not dropped as a no-show. And two, I understand that you know how to navigate the system. For some of you, Canvas and this online curriculum is something you've done before. For others of you, it may be the first time. So don't ever be afraid to reach out. And the first week, there are a couple of assignments that let me know that you are comfortable with the curriculum. So in our course, we will be doing a narrative, a classification, and a research assignment. We will go through the narrative and the classification not quickly, but we will spend more of our time on the research because that can be challenging and it also takes a little more effort. We are starting 2 weeks later than the other English 101 classes. That doesn't mean we will be going faster. I did eliminate some of the work, but it does mean that we will move forward at a consistent, steady pace. So go on to the course, look at the curriculum, look at the modules, take a look as we begin where we're going and how the assignments are going to be laid out for you. Also take a look at the syllabus. Most of the syllabus is pretty standard wording. But it'll also tell you what the options are for turning in late assignments, what the penalty is, and different things like that. Pretty standard. However, I don't want anyone to get into a situation where they're penalized because not knowing is not a good excuse. Okay, so anyway, I am Mary Canderas. Welcome to English 101. Take a look at the modules, take a look at the curriculum. Please feel free to reach out through Canvas or my CGC email. If there's a time that you feel more comfortable with a virtual face-to-face, we can absolutely set that up. I will be popping in throughout the course with some videos explaining some of the assignments, checking in on you, possibly having an optional question and answer drop-in. We're going to do everything we can to make an online course feel comfortable for everyone. So welcome. Let's have a great semester.